Hello, welcome to Economic Dispatch Section 9A. We will learn to estimate power loss in power system by using B matrix. Suppose there are 4 buses, 2 generators at bus 1 and bus 2, whereas bus 3 and bus 4 are load bus. Let bus 1 be swing bus. We have already learned how to create Y bus and Z bus or bus impedance matrix from voltage equation. In a matrix form, we can write voltage equation for V1 as a summation of impedance and current, as the load current comprises of I3 and I4. Therefore, we can write I3 and I4 as a fraction of load current. Then replace I3 and I4 with a fraction of load current. IN0 is defined as minus V1 divided by the element C11 in C bus or bus impedance matrix. We can rewrite this equation. V1 equal to minus C11 multiplied with IN0. From the previous equations, we replace V1 with minus C11 IN0, and then we rearrange the equation to put the load current in one side and rearrange this equation again to put the load current in the left hand side. Now we can set the load current equation. Let E1 and E2 be the complicated term and rewrite it again. We've got a simpler load current equation. Since I3 and I4 are fractions of load current, set I3 and I4 in terms of I1, I2, and IN0. Set the currents in the matrix form. Let's see be this matrix. Then we can calculate the power loss from this equation. R bus is the real value in C bus or bus impedance matrix. Let Q1 be a fraction of P1, Q2 be a fraction of P2. We can find I1 from this equation. Let alpha 1 represent the complicated term. We will get a simpler equation. We can find that of I2 in the same manner. Put them in a matrix form. From the last 2 slides, we've got these 2 equations. Replace I1, I2, and IN0 in terms of real power PG1 and PG2. Let T alpha represent the complicated term. Replace the complicated term with T alpha. We will get a simpler power loss equation. We define B matrix as the average of T alpha and T alpha conjugate. Replace T alpha with B matrix. Then we can calculate the power loss from this equation. If there are 2 buses with generators, we can calculate the power loss from this equation. In conclusions, in general, simple economic dispatch does not consider power loss. However, if we would like to estimate the power loss, we can use B matrix. If B matrix is known, we can calculate power loss from this equation. Thank you for your attention. Please stay tuned for more clips.